What's good, my disciplined traders? Here again on GBPCAD. I posted a setup on GBPCAD that I closed. I said I was going to look for a re-entry and finally got a re-entry. So this is the setup here. This is the setup. This is about 8 weeks to reward, right? So if I go back to my 2-hour time frame, see that price. Let me go back to probably the daily. On the daily time frame, I don't know if you can remember this QMR over here. Price mitigated the QMR. I'm expecting a buy to take out this high on the daily time frame, right? Then I dropped down to the 4-hour time frame. Then we saw a good market structure shift over here. Then breaks of structures. Price has come to grab liquidity. I expected my V-shape key level on the 2-hour time frame, which was this point over here. Then price has triggered it. I actually executed this particular trade. Price triggered it and gave us this move, this upward move right here, right? So I was on profit on this trade, and I'm trying to get a re-entry. So this was the trade on my MT5, this GBP card, running some profits. Then this was the trade on, let's say, right. So this was the previous buy I bought last week that I closed. I shared the setup here on TikTok, and this is the current one that is still running profit, right? So I'm thinking of taking partials on this particular one and placing this current trade because there is a possibility that price will reverse, right? My network. There's a possibility that price will reverse and trigger this particular buy. So our market structure shift, so the liquidity. These are good POI. We are buying again right to this top. So I might want to just take partials on this trade, or I might still leave it running and wait for price. If it eventually comes down, it's not a must that it will come back to trigger this. If it eventually comes down to trigger it, then we'll be on the buy ball. Yeah, this is the view. So for in case you're not on this particular position, which is this buy that's heading to this take profit right now, you can just see this very sweet setup, very good QMR setup, very perfect, aligning with the whole structure and all. You can just execute this one and wait. Hopefully it comes to tap you in, and we'll see whatever the outcome is. I'll still drop updates on this particular pair GBP card so that you guys will follow me on the journey and the trade and the whole thing. So if you're not following, follow me so that you don't miss free setups like this. See you on the next one.